Are you ready to fast-track your path into spirit-guided remote spirit release? This is powerful, hands-on training designed to give you confidence, clarity, and certification in record time. You'll begin with flexible online preparation modules that ground you in the foundations, the principles, the protocol, the roles of medium and facilitator, and the essential safeguards. Then, you'll step into an intensive weekend of live, guided training, immersing in demonstrations, supervised practice, and real-life cases with the SRA teaching team. This fast-track training blends structure with depth, giving you the exact skills to resolve spirit attachments, energetic disturbances, and recurring blocks safely and professionally. You'll be mentored directly by world-leading practitioners, supported by your own dedicated assessor, and connected to a global community of healers. If you're ready to expand your practice, serve with confidence, and gain internationally recognized certification, this is your opportunity. This fast-track intensive takes you beyond the barriers of time and space, transforming your gifts into mastery. Spots are limited, so book your call today and step into your next level.